the measurement of the blade that has worn out from the cutting edge. Let me do that quickly and come. So I have to raise the blade a little bit so it will be up from the ground. I have to get tape measure. Measure it. Go inside my car now. I have a lot of tape measurement. Tape measure. I have one here. It's hidden. Oh, it has to come out anyway. There we go. I got this yellow one. So guys, this is the cutting edge. And now, also from the center and the diameter is it 3.5? I can't see it well. So the diameter is 3.5. The diameter is 3.5. Is it clear? So we take the radius. The radius is gonna be 1. Is it 3.5 or what did I say? Yeah, 3.5. So radius is gonna be 1.567. 1.7. The 1.5 is 3 times 2 is 3. So 1.7 or 1.6 and a half. So 1.7567. And to the cutting edge of the blade is 8. I don't know if you're gonna see it well. 8 point something. It's 8.1 or I should use 8.2. Yeah, it's 8.2. 8.2, I should be good. 8.2. So what that simply means is maybe when it was installed, this cutting edge here for the blade, it can be that maybe it was 10 or 11, 12 from the center of the blade. This bone, the cutting edge blade. So after some time it starts working, it will wear out. After it has worn out, then the differences, you have to measure it always, so the control box will be notified that, hey guy, the blade has worn out 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. So you have to deduct it from the settings that was given inside the machine, and it know that automatically we're gonna do it. I don't have to do anything. So it's 8.2. 8.2 guys. .2. I have to come and type it in here. And it said no UTS DERA. What simply means that this guy here, the total station, it has not been set up, so it's not getting any connection or any signal that we are within a range of a total station signal that we can connect it. So after this has been set up, it will tell that everything is okay. So I have to go inside here, blade wear, search for blade wear. Okay, exactly. So when it was first installed, it was 1.1, that is 10, it's in meters, 0.101. So that's 10, 1 millimeter centimeter, 10 centimeter, 1 millimeter. That's how the previous or the initial setting it was. So after some time the machine has worked, it has worn out. Now it's 8.2. So simply 2 centimeter has worn out. And I have to type it in here now. So 8 will be 80. 8, 0, and 2. So that's how it is now. Am I correct? So 80, no. I have to come to it now. Here has to be 0, 0, then 82, 82. So, but it was 80 centimeters. Yeah, it's good now. So, it's in, and it's good. I have to go to configuration and make the connectivity, the setting of the connectivity. Now I'm not looking for design now. Configuration. I have to come. No installation. Machine settings, connectivity, and select radio band, getting radio information. That's set 450 megahertz. I'm good. I have to make the machine radio configuration, and my control. I say control box. My total station. This guy here is having. I've set it because sometimes I go to the job site and there are some people or some surveyors or some engineers. They are using some of this robotic system. It may happen that they are using the same channel and the network. So I have to change mine. I've changed mine. The one that this machine is using is 32 and 11. So my channel for the control total station, the robotic system is 32. It's using channel 32 and network ID is 11. I've set it to it, but you can change it to anyhow you want it. But this is how I want mine because it's out of range that people can come to it, and I'm free. I don't have conflict with anybody at the job site, so it's okay. Updating it. Yeah, well, I've updated it now, so I'm good. Now I have to install the design, and it's inside this guy now. There's my camera here now, so it's looking at me. Why doing that? This is under USB stick, and the surveyors or whoever is here has already, they've already done the program. It has been installed here, so I have to insert it inside and download it inside my control box. So that's the design that we're going to use today. Let me do it now. I've inserted it. Now press to USB to transfer data from control box to USB drive. I have another program now. I have to do it fast. I know.